You know, we've been introducing all of our favorite chefs into the new Delmarvalife Kitchen, and today we bring in another. We've got Chef Stewart Davis from Flannery's Bayou BBQ with us this afternoon. Welcome to our new kitchen.
I love it. I love the little seafoam aprons. They're pretty cute.
Well, it's good to have you here.
Well, thank you very much. It's glad to be back.
You're doing something that you're very good at, and that is making shrimp.
Yes. Well, today we have, we're going to do a shrimp boil. And I'm going to show you how to make a boil. And then also we're going to make blueberry mango salsa. And then Jimmy is going to be an artiste over here. And he's going to create the soft shrimp taco.
Okay.
He is?
He is.
Okay.
He is.
All righty.
All right, well, get us started. What do we do?
All right here we have the shrimp boil. I have some going now. What I do is generally I cut up celery, onions, and seasonings, and you can see the seasonings that I have here.
Right.
I bring it up to a boil and then let it reduce down. So just let it slow boil, cool it off, and then I reuse it all the time. So once you get done with this, you can scoop out your product, put it back in the refrigerator, and bring it back out and use it over and over and over again. Now, down in Louisiana, we use potatoes, corn, artichoke, shrimp, crawfish, crabs, all that kind of stuff. But to tell you the truth, I mean, it could be used on anything. The reason why you use a boil down in Louisiana is that adds more flavor to the product. Because if you've had our crabs here, our crabs are great here. But down there, I mean, they don't have as much flavor. So what they do is they boil them.
Okay, all right. So what do you need us to do?
All right, I'm going to get you on the mango salsa.
Okay.
We have mango blueberry salsa. So what you're going to do, this is our fresh cilantro. Chop, chop, chop.
Okay.
And then we have jalapenos, red onions, and tomatoes, fresh mangoes, and blueberries. Oh, where's my blueberries?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
Do I chop the stems and all?
Just chop, chop, chop.
Okay, chop, chop, chop.
You keep your fingers, though.
Oh, okay.
And then while that's going on, Jimmy, we have jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp.
Now, we were talking earlier, that's an oxymoron, right? This is a jumbo shrimp, and you're a little Jimmy.
You know.
Bum, bum, bum.
You're tall.
Okay, yeah, we'll go with that.
So while she's chopping all that, we're going to go here, and we're going to take the jumbo shrimp,
Okay.
little Jimmy, and we're going to put it right in the boil. Now, shrimp takes very, very quick amount of time. You don't want to overdo it because it becomes rubbery.
Yes.
So you want to have a nice crisp bite. When you bite the shrimp, you want it crisp. You want it to sort of snap. So what we're going to do is we're going to just let this boil just a little bit. Oh, I have something else to show you.
Ooh.
Lisa, pay attention over here.
Okay, all right. What?
Chop, chop, chop.
Okay. It's like, pay attention, don't cut your fingers.
Don't pay attention.
Chop, chop, chop. Oh.
Watch out for the arm reaching across, yes.
Now, I told you the secret. This is sour cream.
Right.
If you have anything you want to pipe in, if you want to do a piping bag with icing or anything like that, just put it in a Ziploc bag.
And use
Make
the
sure
corner.
all the air is out. Cut the corner.
And use the corner, okay.
That's right. Cut
sense.
the corner.
Yeah. Corner cut?
Yep, and you'll see.
Oh, look at you.
But that's
about
it's.
that?
I'm gonna let you do it though. That was just the beginning.
Oh.
We can do like
Smiley face, tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Now? You want it done now?
Nope.
No.
Back up.
Okay. You had me all fascinated there. I got it.
Okay, look at this.
Oh, wow. That doesn't take long, does it?
No, it doesn't. These are ready to roll. We're going to cool them off just a teeny tiny bit because we're going to take the tops off of them,
Yeah.
the tails.
I had somebody tell me over the weekend, yeah, a lot of people like to eat the tails along with the shrimp. I'm thinking,
Some people
place
do.
I've ever, really?
Some people do. Yep.
Wow.
Some people eat it with the shell on.
Ooh.
I don't, but some people do.
Yeah,
I
that's-
imagine it might not be comfortable later on.
I'm with you on that. Yeah, okay.
We're not going there.
So, Lisa,
chop.
you could throw your chop right in there.
Okay. I'm still chopping. I'm still chopping.
Look at that. Look at that professional go.
Man.
Oh.
Bam. And then I cut this onion up a little for you, so just cut it this way. Nope.
Oh.
Oops, I'm sorry. Left-handed.
Yeah.
That's right.
We
Cut it
forgot
that
a lot
way.
of our problems already.
And while Lisa's chopping,
Yep.
Jimmy, what we'll do is you can take some of the salad mix. I have a fresh spring salad.
Okay.
Put it right on top.
So just
Just
have
go
at
this
it, right?
way, whatever you want.
Now I've got huge pieces here. Do you want
Yeah,
me
you
to tear
got-
them up or?
No, you got little pieces here too.
Oh, okay.
See?
All right. And I presume I'm putting them in the middle.
Yes.
Okay. There we go. You like?
And then some tomatoes, Lisa.
Okay.
Yep. And do another one because you want to feed Lisa too.
But I got it. So that means I got to put.
You don't have to. This is your design.
You want sour cream?
Absolutely.
Okay, just checking. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to
Let's see this.
find something really pretty here to make, and we're going to go to commercial break, and you're going to come back and see it when you get back.
Stick around, Delmarvalife. We'll be right
Like
back.
that one.
I am quite tired. During the break, I put my knife skills to work and chopped all of that under the careful tutelage of Chef Stewart Davis from
Tutelage?
Flannery.
Who said that?
Tutelage. Is that
Who
illegal?
wrote this?
Look at that, Lisa. You did it.
I did.
Jimmy.
Over all the chopping that you did here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and
Uh-huh.
then even added some vinegar.
You-
And
uh-huh.
what else did I add to
Yeah,
it during the break?
You added
I
vinegar,
forget.
you added garlic, you added olive oil, you added the mangoes. Look how beautiful that is.
My, the skills you have,
She
Lisa,
has
that I've
done-
never appreciated.
I need
She
to be
has-
careful. You're going to want to hire me at the restaurant.
I'm gonna bring you
Goodness
in. I always love good talent and pretty talent.
Oh, stop.
Unfortunately, don't qualify for either one.
All right, Jimmy, here's your turn.
Okay, what am I doing?
Okay, you're gonna pinch the tails off the shrimp and
Okay.
put them on there.
Over there?
Yep.
So how many shrimp do you usually put on here?
How many would you like?
How many would you like, Lisa?
All of them. No, I guess you have to wrap it, right?
3 is probably good because it's gonna
about it.
sort of follow. If you put any more, then it's gonna fall apart on you. It'd be
Gotcha.
a soft taco shrimp salad.
Exactly, exactly.
And that's going to be a.
That's why I
good
should
bite
never
full.
be in charge of making burritos or soft tacos or burritos because I always put too much stuff in them.
I do too, and I mean it's like you can't get seconds or something because I always stuff it, and then all of a sudden it's like
And what a mess
you end up
later.
with a
and-
fork and a knife anyway.
That's right.
You know?
All right, those are in.
Okay.
Shrimp's in.
Time for your pickled onions.
Pickled onions.
These are pickled sweet red onions.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Jimmy, just,
I'm just checking just to
Yes,
see.
yes.
Because I know you don't want it super spicy, and I don't know what else you like or don't.
Well, when I was making the salsa,
Yes.
I put some peppers in there.
Yeah.
And boy, you were perspiring too because you were going so
Jalapenos and
fast.
habaneros.
That break was not that long, and you got so much accomplished. Try them. Okay, pickled onions.
Okay, and then you want Lisa's homemade salsa.
Are you,
Lisa's homemade mango blueberry salsa.
I don't know if I'm qualified to dish this up. This is like you said, the gold standard right here.
Just
And the
spring-
amazing part is I didn't chop my finger off.
Yeah, she's still got all
I'm
10.
so glad you said that because I'm looking for a fingernail.
It sort
here.
of looks like a shrimp anyway.
Who would know, right? So it was
That's
too
right.
late. Oh, look at this pretty nail on the end of this shrimp.
No.
I think like you, I got too much on there.
All right.
Does that matter?
Nope.
Nope.
That one could be yours.
Okay.
We got some feta cheese.
Okay.
Sprinkle. Like cheese? Cheese.
I can't.
If it's like me, I like cheese.
Yeah, I was going to say I can't sprinkle here. There's
Have
not
you
gonna
ever
be-
watched this show before? Love
Cheese.
cheese.
Do you have cheese? Trace. Peanut butter jelly. Put some cheese on it.
That's all I get because
Oh,
Lisa's
look.
is the other one.
Oh wait, mine's on that side.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that's how we
Okay.
that's how we roll. What's this?
That.
Fritos.
What?
Frito.
Fritos. Crushed up Fritos.
Okay.
Sprinkle right on over top
Yeah, I
of
guess
it.
it'd be easier
That adds a
for
little
you.
bit of crunch.
Okay. All right. Yeah. And I did exactly what you were talking about. I put too much on there. There's no way in the world this is going to roll up together.
It's gonna be fun to eat. Though.
Fun.
Good
Till your
TV.
daddy drives your T-boot away.
All right. Got the crunch in?
And now you're the artist again with a little bit more sour cream
Oh, on
right
top of
over
that?
the top.
Awesome. Can you ever have too much sour cream?
I don't think it, oh, watch out. Watch your little sour cream hole.
I know you can't say that on TV. We're going to have the censors all over us today. Chef, you got to be a little more careful here.
Excuse me. Ta-da!
So that's the end result there.
Look at that.
Good shot of that?
Lisa, Look at that.
It's almost too pretty to eat.
No.
No.
Is that so we wrap it up?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, you don't have to wrap it. Just fold it
It's
in
a
half.
taco. It's not a burrito.
Oh, that's right. You're right. Hold
Yep,
on a
just
second.
fold it in half
Oh my goodness, there is no way.
and crunch.
This is going to be.
Go for it. You got this, Jimmy. You got this.
Look at that. I knew you could do it.
You realize after I take this bite, you have to do all the talking.
Look at that. I knew she could do it. Well, and with everything so fresh, it should be crisp. It should be not overpoweringly hot, yet cool because of the sour cream and the feta cheese. Works. You guys did a good job. Thank you for coming in today. I really appreciate you guys coming in.
Whatever you do, remember to watch your sour cream hole because that could ruin everything. Right there.
Stewart Davis, Flannery's Bayou BBQ. Just head down Fruitland.
Down to Fruitland on Camden Avenue and Allen Road, downtown Fruitland. Open Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays only. I make it a destination point.
Okay.
11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
All right, and get you one of these tacos.
Get you one of these tacos. I'll have them all week long. I'm going to do them just for you guys.
Ooh, I like that. Stick around. Delmarvalife will be right back.